Tyler, you obviously have some fucking problems. And this is the end of this session. Anything else?
Mom is getting jealous. I see my manager more than I see her. Before I go on tour, it hurts. I miss the days where this is fun, but now it turned into work and getting legal, so I gotta watch the shit that I blurt out.
As you should. This shit's
my
outrageous.
friends are turning into opposites because my life is turning into opposite of sloppy wrists. And all the bitches who forgot about me wanna ride my dick harder than the white kids who copy shit. Ending it is all I fucking think about. That's the shit I think about. All alone, bawling till my motherfucking eyes bleed. See, he's a leader in person and smile. Shit gets disgusting when there's no person around talking discussion shit, man.
I'm here to talk.
I'm putting myself at a distance. For instance, my best friend is now my fucking assistant. Niggas saying free Earl without even knowing him. See, they're missing the new album. I'm missing my only friend.
You have everyone around you with 30 days a day. That's what it is. I mean, you act like you don't have anyone to talk to. I'm here for you. I'm your friend.
I say y'all say future. Nah, that shit's corny as fuck.
You're doing good. You have a cult following.
To these white kids.
Oh my gosh.
Charbroiled nigga on these dark beats. Nauseous with the Nazi, but it's normal with the cops see. Awesome at his concert, but he never had a pop see. Mommy was a living single queen with a Lottie. So when my wallet's piling with some pollen colored paper, I lace her. Cause she gave me a lot at such a young age. 20, why didn't she get that abortion? Probably cause that motherfucking embryo was morphine into a Grammy-winning schizophrenic fucking orphan. Oops, I mean bastard, skinny ass disaster. Mom works hard, still working on her masters. Son lies about taking classes at community colleges to record some bullshit he calls bastard. Start a fucking cult, clash his talents in a brash way. Before he even had a mustache and cash, and all I got was a fucking shitty article in Thrasher.
Alright, let's calm down.
That ain't shit, man.
Now don't make yourself seem guilty. That article is great.
Fuck.
You're beating yourself up and you're living the fucking life right now, kid. When I was your age, I would love to be fucking doing the thing that you're doing right now.
Fuck that. Fuck all this shit.
You act like I'm not here.
You're not.
I'm exactly who you're supposed to be talking to.
You don't fucking help me with shit. You don't help me with shit. Fuck.
Yeah, you did. Who wouldn't do
Fuck
that?
you. Fuck
Who
you.
wouldn't shoot their friends?
Fucking fuck.
That's fine.
I killed my
That's not your
fucking
fault.
friend. Fuck.
We're gonna need security in here, and
I didn't fucking sign up for this shit. I'm not fucking crazy. I'm a fucking table.
Yes,
I'm a fucking table.
he's losing it.
No, fuck this
Tyler,
shit.
calm down.
I'ma grab the Nina and find a nice arena. Cause I can't even choose between Ortega or Sabrina.
security in here.
And I'm not even human. I'm a body-shaped demon with some semen in my sack and some problems in the back.
Calm the fuck
and a
down.
life that's filled with crap and a finger filled with hate and a gap that's filled with love. Now that opposites attract, I can finally be one.
No.
Like a marriage in a church, but this marriage has a hearse. And the parents of the one that's getting married has a curse. And it's made up inside of him, too late to reimburse. But wait, it gets worse. All the guests that's in the church all decided to disperse.
Tyler.
So it was nobody who could stop the wedding with converse.
wanna do
so
this.
they tied the knot. Now it's too late to reverse this arrangement.
Yes, it is.
The nurse is amazed at the hurt that he was painting.
Calm the fuck
but it
down.
was obvious in all the photos he was painting. Now a bunch of whispering immerse.
Yeah, he's right there.
Shit.
Security's right there.
No, get away from me.
Get him.
And then the nurse blurts.
What the fuck is this problem?
No,
Here,
Tyler,
get
how
two
about-
doses together. Here.
why didn't anybody ask him first?
Get on the ground.
Hold him down.
I've been asking you this whole time.
Get the fuck away from me. Get away from me. Because nobody gave a fuck.
Fuck off. Someone gave a fuck, Tyler. And, the person I gave a fuck was me. See, You're not going crazy? It's me, I'm your best friend, Tyler. I know everything. I know everything about you. You've been helping yourself this whole time. Your friends are just fitting into your imagination. Dr. TC. See, Tyler, I'm your conscious. I'm Tron Cat. I'm Ace. I'm Wolfhanging. I'm
Me.